What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, it's not going to be coffee this time because I'm about to work out. So I'm about to drink my energy drink from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Now, I'm not being sponsored by this energy drink, but for those of you who work out like me, I do recommend Celsius, guys. Celsius is it's a very good one. You don't crash. It doesn't have these jitters and all that. Because I've tried a bunch of them, and for me, it seems like Celsius does the trick. Okay, but anyways, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay, which is first we're about to check on the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we'll look at price in a little bit of insight details because hey, it's happening. It is happening. And after that, we will look at our positions, basically my positions, and then you can compare them with you to see whether you're going up, down, left, or right. Okay, so before we get into that, I don't even know where to start with this. Okay, it is very, very frustrating for some people. Okay, for me, I don't understand it. How does somebody make the investment decisions based on what somebody else said? Understand? I don't get it. I don't get it. Somebody is going to sell their position. Excuse me. You're going to sell your position based on somebody's political views, based on somebody's religious views or whatever they say. Last time I checked, okay, for us to be grown-ups, you need to not only accept criticism from other people, but from you. Like, this is my opinion, okay? You need to accept it. It is my opinion. Just the same way, if you give me an opinion of yours, I'll look at it and I'll be like, okay, if I accept it, good. If I don't, it's okay because it's your opinion. And we are all human. We are all grown. You need to live together. I will give you a perfect example. I am a Casper Maxi. For me, Casper is the best thing that has ever happened to the cryptocurrency space. Da Vinci, on the other hand, he will say, no, Bitcoin is the best thing that has ever happened. I hold Bitcoin, okay? Not because Da Vinci said it's the best thing, no. Because I am an investor. I make money. I don't marry these coins. I make money. But to me, Bitcoin is not the best. To me, Casper is the best. So, as I've kind of sent him a couple of inboxes about it too. I would like one day, if let's say like this, if he thinks that Bitcoin is the best, I would like one day we sit on a table, side by side. Let him tell me why Bitcoin is better than Casper. The same thing, I will reciprocate and I will tell him why Casper is better than Bitcoin. And at the end of the day, yeah, if he's convinced by my opinions, that's good. Or maybe he can convince me by his excuse me. Or maybe he can convince me by sharing his views. Understand? So like it is normal for people to have different opinions. Okay? So that leads me to today. Why am I talking about this today? I can't. Oh my God, it is funny. Okay, I was scrolling through Twitter, and I find you guys call it X, and I find that there are some investors on Casper that are selling their positions or they're making their investment choices based on what one of the developers from Casper said or tweeted about, or he's been tweeting about. Okay, something going on in his country. Now, first of all, I can't give my opinion on what is going on in his country. Because first of all, I am an American. I'm sitting here in my country. I don't know what is going on over there. I don't know how we started. All I see is what we are shown on TV. And TV can be a lot biased. Understand? Now, do I say what? Do I say? Am I saying that what he's tweeting about is right? No. Am I saying what he's tweeting about is wrong? No. All I'm saying, like, people have the right to their own opinion. It's just like YouTube, okay? You scrolling through videos on YouTube, you find my video. If you like it, you watch. If you don't like it, you keep scrolling. Do you comment on my videos every time you see one? No. I know there's a lot of people out there that hate Casper, but they still don't comment on my videos. They just scroll and go. The same thing you should do on Twitter. You scrolling on Twitter, you find something that is offensive, you don't like it, or whatever, unless it is really gruesome, scroll. Just scroll down or scroll up, keep going. You don't have to be fixated on this. Okay, you don't have to be fixated on it. Be like, to the point you are going to make investment decision based on what Shai said. That is really that is the most absurd. I mean, there is not even a word to it, guys. There is not. I'll give you an example. Casper today is at 13-14 cents. 2 years from now, or a couple of months from now, you will not even remember what Shai was talking about. But Casper is gonna go up $2, $3, $4, $5, and then you who sold today, because of what Shai said, you'll be looking like a, well, I don't want to say the word, but you know the animal with the big ears. We start with an A. Okay, the ASS, you know, that animal. You'll be looking like that animal. Because of what? You made your investment decision based on what somebody else said. A perfect example, you guys remember Pepe, right? Pepe was in the same spot a couple of months ago, sometime last year, because somebody said something and it looked like this, and a lot of people were investing that invested in Pepe. They were selling their position. Ask those guys today. Pepe price has gone up so much. Now that you saw back there, who's the fool? Understand? So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, let me just show you right quick. Twitter right here. See this? All this is what Shai, as you can see here, the guy from Casper, from Gozdak, blah blah blah, all that stuff. You can look at it and you make up yourself. I'm not gonna read it aloud for the sake that some of you might find it offensive. So here you can see he's here. He is identified in the Casper development. Anyways, as you can see, all this stuff he's talking about is the war that is going on in his country. All that stuff right there. Like everybody else, you give your opinion. I kind of answered to one of his tweets, and I told him, like I said, you can go and read about it. Okay, I don't think it's how you say it. Like I said, say, bro, I understand your pain, but this is not the right way to vent your frustration. Whether you like it or not, you are a well-known individual in this space. Therefore, saying the right thing the wrong way can turn away even those of us who want to support you and your country. That's what I mean. Like you might find it offensive, right? I don't know. I just read it. For me, it was like, yeah, he's I just felt like excuse me, let me go back here. Let me go out here. I read a couple of his tweets, right? For me, what I could see in between the line is somebody who is in pain. Okay, somebody who is frustrated for something that is going on. Now, is his country right? Is his country wrong? I don't know. Okay, is he a personal friend? I don't know. Just like you who's watching me. If you're going through a tough time and I happen to see it, I will sympathize with you. Understand? But until I really know what's going on, I can't really give my opinion out of it. And you shouldn't take You shouldn't take it personal, because when you are angry, we say things that we don't mean. Even though if you mean to say those things, the right words, when somebody is angry and frustrated, they use words that they don't want to mean. They don't mean to say. Understand? So I don't know if that is his case. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is that your own investment, that's your money. That's your future or wealth. You should not be playing with it based on somebody's emotional distress or emotional state. You should not be doing that. Okay, just be step outside the box for a second. Step outside the box for a second and look at things again. Because guess what? By the time Casper goes up 3, 4, 5, 6, or even $10, Shy is not going to be the one losing his investment, his opportunity. You are going to be the one losing your opportunity. Because why? You let your emotion control you. You let those things that Shy said, okay, control you. Instead of respecting somebody's opinion and then go about your own business, you made a decision that ended up, messing your own investment up. Shy is a developer. That's good. But he does not own Casper. He doesn't. He doesn't own it. He's just a developer. So for me, you got to look at Casper in a different way. Look at the fundamentals. Are they still intact? Yes. Is Casper still fulfilling the vision? Yes. There's a bunch of things you got to go on. Okay? Ask yourself a few questions. Is Shy paying my bills? No. Is Shy giving me my investments? Is he gonna make my investment grow or die? No. There's a couple of things you gotta look. Instead of you making those decisions based on whatever he said or whatever who said, that is something that don't make any sense at all, guys. It doesn't make any sense. Look at the charts now. I'm about to show you in a minute. Those of you who sold because he said that or whatever that he did, look at the charts. I'm about to show you in a minute. And you'll be looking like a loser. Okay, it's just you. It's your investment. It's not Shy's investment. It's your money. You are just playing around with your money based on what somebody else said. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? Anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. First, let's go right here with the crypto bubbles. You guys see? Bitcoin, like I told you guys, it looks like Bitcoin has stopped correcting and everything else is showing that already. Coins are beginning to show signs of a reversal. First, let's start with the king, Casper. There you go. Casper today, we are still at a market cap of $3.2 billion. For the past hour, we are up 0.55%. On the day, we are down 1.8%, 11.4% down on the week, 20.8% down on the month, and 207% up on the year. Looking at Quant, QNT, the coin a lot of people love to hate. Look at that. Quant, we are up 0.55% on the last hour, 0.73% on the day, 2.4% down on the week, 9.6% down on the month, and 21.9% down on the year. Guys, you got to pay attention to that number. Like I said, that number, is beginning to go down slowly. And now let's go look at also Jasmine. Again, those are the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey for the 2024-2025 bull run, which are Casper, King, Quant, and Jasmine. Now let's look at Jasmine. Okay, with a market cap of $919 million, we are up 0.45% up in the last hour, 0.09% down on the day, 3.4% down on the week, 8.1% down on the month, and 504% up on the year. So when you look at those numbers and you compare them for the last few days, all I can tell you, it looks like the price has begun to stabilize. Okay, the drop is almost over. We probably is bouncing as we speak. Okay, so now let's go look at the price in a little bit of details. from my trading view right quick. So trading view, right here, we're gonna start. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh yeah, I have Bitcoin on my radar because I usually look at that, but that's not what I'm looking at. So as you can see, Bitcoin went all the way down to 59, almost $58,000, but it looks like the price has started to come back up again. But let's go start with the ones that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. So let's start with King Casper. King Casper from Mexi. There you go. This is the 4 hours. Okay, those of you who have been following me, I've been telling you about this for the longest. Okay, Casper has been in a falling wedge for the longest. Okay, first we had a channel, and then when you zoom out, it's a falling wedge. So the price came down. Wow, look at that. That's perfect. Came down right on the bottom of the falling wedge. I usually tell you guys, it doesn't take, you don't need rocket science. Just look at the signs. Look at the ribbon. See where the ribbon was falling at first. Now it's beginning to kind of space out, which means we are almost about to start curving upwards. Okay, maybe this was the support. It's going to bounce from here and it's going to start going up. To look at this clearer, let's look at the 1 hourly right here, because you know when the reversal starts, it usually starts from the lower frames. Okay, wow, see, looks like Casper formed a double bottom. First bottom, second bottom, you see that? And I'm telling you guys, look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon has started to curve? So yeah, we are probably at the bottom of this price downwards price action, and we're about to start taking off. So next thing I'm expecting, first thing, let's climb above the ribbon, and then let's try to take the bottom of the channel that we were trading in, which is at 14 cents. Okay, so let's look at it on the daily. On the daily, you can even see it right there perfectly. See, we got supported by the bottom of the wedge. See this line on the top line, that's the wedge that we're trading in. So we went, touched up, touched down. Now we probably need to go up to try this 14 cents and then start to go up again. But yeah, that's what I'm telling you. It looks like we're about to reverse. Look at how far the ribbon is. Therefore, I'm expecting the ribbon to start reversing from here, and then the price probably catch up like it always does. Okay, so now let's go look at Quant right quick. Okay, I'm trying to rush this thing like I told you guys. Yeah, I need to go work out right quick. So let's look at Quant, QNT. We go here, QNT, USDT, and I like Binance again. Quant is basically doing the exact thing. This is beautiful, guys. Quant is doing the exact thing. Look at this. Price came down. Let me zoom out a little bit so I can get it all in one screen, because my phone is what I'm using. Anyways, price came all the way down. Look at that. All the way down. We form a double bottom, 1 and 2. As we speak right now, price has already broken above the moving ribbon. So yeah, this is a pretty good sign. What I'm expecting this to happen right now is to start riding up to try to retake the moving average again, so which is at $68. Okay, so yeah, this looks pretty good, guys. Look at that. Look at how amazing the ribbon looks. Very soon you're about to see it flip and turn green. That's what we're expecting from Casper. Now, I mean from Quant, sorry. Now if you go on the 4 hourly, look at that. Nice and beautiful. Look at that. Right on the line. Therefore, again, I'm expecting it to start climbing. Retake the ribbon, and then retake the moving average. But like I've always told you guys, okay, you have to look at the picture all the way here on the weekly. Everything you're looking at right now is just the beginning of a move, of a bigger move. Because Quant was in this symmetrical triangle. We touched the upside of the triangle, came down, touched the bottom of the triangle. Now we are climbing to go try the top side of the triangle again. Now, depending on when we get there, the price of the top of the triangle is at about 104 to 110. But the most important part is here, the first Fibonacci line, which is $125. So yeah, do not miss your investments by being afraid of the recent price action. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmine. Guys, I've told you guys, for me, Jasmine, for the meantime, I'm still a little bit bearish. Why? Because I want to see Jasmine price break above the 2.3 cents, like I've said all this time. So until it does that, I think Jasmine will still be bearish for me. So far it looks like we are attempting to break out again, just like the rest of the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. Okay, it looks like Jasmine is trying to break out. Look at that. That's so beautiful. This is on the 1 hour. Okay, look at this. The ribbon is starting to curve, and we are right now fighting the ribbon. We are inside the ribbon. So let's monitor this for the next couple hours to see if we break above the ribbon and go try the moving average, just like the rest of them. I told you guys, you do not need rocket science to trade. Okay, you have to pay attention to these little things, and then public sentiment. That's all you need. So yeah, on the 1 hourly, you can see we try, got rejected, tried, got rejected, but this time look at it. It looks like we are breaking through the moving ribbon. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's see what we see. On the 4 hourly, yeah, it looks like we still have to go up, but like I told you guys, the reversal always starts on the lower time frame. Once the 1 hour break above it, the 4 hour will follow, then the daily, and then the weekly, and then so on and so forth. So far, yeah, but I'm expecting for me to be fully bullish on Jasmine on the short term. I need to see the price break above the 2.3 cents. Why? Again, let me go on the daily so that I can show you. For those of you who have been part of my channel for the longest, you will understand I told you we were in this bullish pattern, which is the falling wedge, right? So price need to break above this. The reason is that, look, it is forming a W. First bottom, second bottom. So the second the part of the bottom need to be completed when we break above 2.3 cents and confirm it. Then we will start going up, because the price target for this falling wedge is at 4.5 cents. That's where it is. But if you go on the weekly, the target for the price action you're looking at right now is 12 cents. Okay, so excuse me. So there you have it. For me, I think the market has bottomed, and we are going to start seeing price to start to go up from here. Therefore, again, it is an opportunity. Okay, an opportunity. Yesterday I showed you how to use Bydfi and Phemex. Therefore, I do not recommend you leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because if you do, you are going to lose your money. You better know what you're doing. But if you are confident enough and you know what you're doing, check below. I do have both links of Bydfi and Phemex. Those links, sign up, get the free money, because they are giving free money, $2,000 or $3,000, I believe, if you meet their deposit requirements. Okay, if you meet that, so sign up, follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, I don't really care about that. All I care about is that you make money. Okay, make money. That's all I care. And in 10 months from now, or probably less, we can sit here and celebrate our gains, our money. Understand? Anyways, let's go check my Bydfi, where I trade for my seasonal trades. Those are trades that I plan to keep open to the top of the bull run. I also have one like that on Phemex, which is the Jasmine trade. But anyways, let's go look at my Bydfi. Bydfi right here. Okay, Bydfi. For those of you who remember, yesterday I was almost $7,000 when my friend kept telling me to close my trade. Anyway, if you look right here, I am up today 9,600. Okay, it looks like I told you guys, it looks like the market is beginning to pick up. You can see it by my overall. Now, if you look at my contracts, okay, on my contracts, wow, look at that. My Casper that was yesterday negative 60, I saw it go all the way down to negative 60. I'm still down negative 47%, which is 2,100. And my quant, I am still down 1%, which is $77. Again, you guys remember, I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x, okay? 50x, and I don't care about what the price does, because my liquidation is way low. My Casper liquidation is 9 cents, and my quant liquidation is 34, almost $35. So it can even go down 70-80%. It will not liquidate me. Like I say, I don't trade with the stop losses. I trade with my liquidation. Anyways, you guys already know my take profits. Okay, I told you guys, for me, Casper, I believe it will go to $10. and that will make me $599,000 right there. As you can see, $10, $599. Again, that does not mean that even if you don't get there, I will not take profit. There are different points that I am monitoring. Okay, like I told you, if Casper does really poor, I'm expecting it to at least go to $4. $4, that will make me $233,000. We evaluate the market and then either keep it open or close the trade. If Casper does just normal average, it will be $7. At $7, this position will make me $416,000. Okay, that's another position I'm looking at and see where the market is, how it is performing, and all that stuff. And again, you guys already know $10 is my ultimate target. That's what I'm waiting for. Now, if you look at Quant, I told you guys, with everything going on with Quant, I'm expecting 6,500. This will make me $1.4 million. Okay, but that does not mean I'm fixated on it. Okay, I think if Quant does poorly in this run, it will be 1,500. 1,500, that will make me $313,000. Okay, that's perfect. Now, if Quant does average, for me, average will be 3,800. Okay, 3,800, which will make me $817,000. Okay, but my ultimate price for Quant, because I believe Quant can go well above 50 or 60 billion dollar market cap, is my ultimate price is 6,800. Okay, so now let's go look at my Phemex account. That, like I told you, on my Phemex, I only keep one trade seasonal, which is the Jasmine, and my Casper is where I'll be taking profit here and there. As you can see, today I am up wow, $10,000. Yesterday you guys saw it, I was like 9,000 or 8,000. I saw it even the lowest early in the morning around 8,000 something, but today I am up. You guys can see that right here, $10,000. Okay, perfect. If you look at here, my contracts, you can see my contracts, my Jasmine, I am still down 31%, which is 3,600. Okay, the same goes to my Casper. I am still down 50%, which is 2,100. Okay, so again, do not be like me. I do trade very aggressively. I trade at 50x. Okay, look at that, 50x. And again, I don't really use stop loss. Look at my liquidation. As you can see, my liquidation is way low. For Jasmine, 0.009, and for Casper, my liquidation is 9 cents. As you can see right here, that's why I do not care where the price goes on this one. Okay, so for Jasmine, you can take profits. Like I said, I've been telling you guys before, take notes of this for profit area. For me, $3 is possible if they do a good lockup, but start looking at 4.5. Okay, 4.5 cents. I'm not going to take profit, but I'm giving you points that I would have if I was you, if I was doing short term. 4.5 cents is a good area for me. It will make me $18,000. Then the target of the bull flight, which is 12 cents, for me it will be $80,000. After that, you look at the golden pocket, which is 15 cents. For me, it will be $104,000. Then there is a big resistance, I will say it again, at 20 cents. 20 cents, that will be $146,000 for me. Now, you got to look at Jasmine again. For me, I think the all-time high, it might be that 60 to 70 cents. So if it go to 60 cents, all-time high, it will make me 477 now, or 70 cents. It will make me $559,000. So yeah, that's some things that you got to start looking at. Okay, like I told you guys, we are traders. We're here to make money. You got to look at coins. Okay, those are the 3 coins that I think are money printers. There are other high risk like SUI. SUI is one of them. I bought SUI way below. I usually put $400 on SUI and coins like that. SUI is one of them. Cubic. Look at Cubic, guys. Cubic is one coin that you want to have on your radar. Okay, and a third coin again is Luna Classic. You want to put Luna Classic on your radar, guys. Again, I'm a guy that I show my receipts every time. I told you guys I did buy SUI, but let me see, right, where's my Coinbase? I do have SUI right here in my Coinbase. Load it up. Because I bought Sui, just that was like, well, you better have it in your radar, because Sui might be something that you will surprise. Okay, if you go to what I have, as you can see right here, Sui. I do have Sui right there, so it's not much. It's like it's 1,000 coins only, not much about it. So yeah, guys, let me put this here. There you have it. Those are some extra coins that you need to pay attention to, because probably Sui is something like in this bull run you might see it at $200-300. Understand? So having 1,000 of them, you can make you a good chunk of money, which you can put somewhere else. Understand? Anyways, that's being said, guys, that's all. Do not make your investment decision based on what somebody else said. Understand? Because at the end of the day, it's your money, not their money. Understand? So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like. Okay, turn on your notifications so that you will know whenever I drop a new video. But also comment. I would like to know your opinions. What do you think about what we just talked about? Okay, and also share. The more you share, the more people join the family, and that way we can trade opinions about, you know, being a millionaire sooner than you thought. Again, guys, until I see you in my next video, please guys, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.